Happy Thanksgiving, Sammy.
Timmy's not here, he's hiding.
This is your 4th Thanksgiving ever. Now, whose first Thanksgiving is it? Mommy's?
Daddy.
Or
Me.
it's Corey's first Thanksgiving.
Mommy.
It's your first Thanksgiving.
What have you been doing?
What are you doing?
Corey?
Mommy.
And here's Corey's Thanksgiving hat.
It's Sammy's hat, but I don't know where Sammy went. I'm just gonna get some water. I'm just gonna put my water on butter.
Don't you get this?
Sammy's a boy!
I'm gonna tickle your feet.
Sammy, look at that. Corey's wearing the hat.
I'm gonna
with
tickle
me.
your feet.
Do you like it?
Oh, yeah.
Do you want to put this hat on? Is this the one you wore during the Thanksgiving feast
No.
at
Happy
school?
Thanksgiving.
What itched you about
Happy
it? The feathers?
Thanksgiving.
Probably.
No, it's staple.
The staples itch you?
Yeah, and the feathers. So I like
What happened to your hat? Where did your hat go? Ah. No, don't touch the camera.
Corey touching the camera.
Ah! Don't you touch the camera. Can you say, Happy Thanksgiving? Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy bum.
Okay, we'll leave here at 11:30.